everyone, how are you doing? I hope you're having a great weekend. So today we're opening up a new subscription to our channel. This is Pendant and Charm, and I have it right here in this mailer bag. So when I first got this, I saw that this company is based out of Naples, Florida, which is pretty much where I live, so that's super exciting to support a Florida company. But anyways, let's get into learning about what this subscription is all about, and then we will unbox and see what is inside. So like with any new subscription on our channel, I pulled up the website so we can learn a little bit more, get some pricing information and all of that good stuff. So let's get started. But before we do get started, I want to remind you all that I just launched my 6,000 subscriber giveaways. A big thank you to all of you for your love and support. And I still do have my giveaway going on in my collaboration video with Southern Yankee. So I will leave both those links down below if you have not yet entered. No obligation, just have to be a subscriber. So yeah, I'll leave those links down below, and let's get into Pendant and Charm. Alright, so what is Pendant and Charm? You get a new Pendant and Charm each month. They say it's only $24 per month. So all of the pieces are made with 925 sterling silver. Stones are crystal, cubic zirconia, or natural. So the first month you get a free necklace with a $25 value with your pendant and your charm. It looks like on your third month you get a free charm bracelet with a $50 value. And they do have a referral program, which I always love when subscription boxes have referral programs. It looks like you get 1 point per person that signs up using your referral code. And when you get 3 points, so when 3 people sign up, you get a free pendant and or charm. And there's a little note here from the creators. It says, "Thank you for visiting our website. I love beautiful pendants and charms. I wanted to start my company that was 5 years ago. My son inspired me to launch Pendant and Charm 6 months ago for a better future for our family. And they are going to donate a portion of their profits each month to an after-school meal program for children." That's so awesome. I say this every time a box gives back. I love supporting subscriptions or any of my purchases that give back to a charity. That just makes me feel really good. So I think that is amazing that they do that. So they say their 925 sterling pendants and charms are designed with crystal, natural stone, or cubic zirconia, and they retail from $55 to $60, but you only pay $24. So I think that gives everything. Oh, and they gave a percentage. It's 8% of their profits that donate to the after-school meal program for kids. So that is so great. I love that. So yeah, let's get started and see what is inside. So we have our jewelry in this bag that says Pendant and Charm, and then there's a note here I'm just going to open first. Alright, so I think this goes over actually everything I read from their website. This is really convenient. If I knew this was in here, I wouldn't have even had to look it up. So yeah, it says, "Thank you for reviewing my subscription. This means so much to me. Members receive a beautiful pendant and charm each month for $24 per month plus free shipping." So that's new information. There's free shipping. That is great. And yeah, I think everything else we have. So that is pretty much all the information I stated earlier. So your pendant and charm come in this bag like I showed you. So let's see what is inside. So here is everything that came inside. They're all in little baggies. So let's take this out. So it looks like there is the bracelet, and then I see 2 charms, and then here is another chain. I'm not sure. We'll see what it is in just a moment. And when I did talk to them, I gave them the size of my wrist, which I think is like 17 centimeters, so they were able to make this to fit me. So here is what it looks like without any of the charms. And on it there is the 925 sterling silver little pendant, or whatever you call this. So it is real sterling silver. That is how you tell. I learned that from you guys in a past subscription where they said it was silver, but apparently it wasn't. This one is. So let's look at what the charms are this month. So this is like a little heart with another little heart inside, little crystals. So we'll put that on in a moment. And then our other one looks like it is a heart as well. So here is the second one. So you can see there's like a little red heart inside, and there's crystals on the bigger heart. Hopefully you guys are able to see that. This is so cute. I feel like I know a few people who have like charm bracelets like this, and they love collecting it. It's like such a special gift. So this is a gift idea. And let's see what this is. Yep, so this is a sterling silver necklace. And it has that little 925 up here, I think. Let's see. Yep, it says S925, so cool. So let's put the charms on this. So there's a charm you can use both on the bracelet and on the necklace, which is cool. I'm just putting them both on the necklace right now, since this will be easier to put on by myself. And I probably wouldn't wear them both together, but you could. Alright, so I put on the necklace. I accidentally put one of the charms on the wrong direction. But here is that, and then here is the other heart one. So you can wear one of these on your necklace, like, just trying to show you both how they look. I can't really tell in the viewfinder. And then this one I have to put on again because it's the wrong way. Struggle bus. And then let's see if I can get this bracelet on myself. And then here is the bracelet. I'm just holding it up just for ease of use, and so this video I don't have to edit out like a million minutes of me struggling. Yeah, this is cute. I love it. You can tell it's like real silver and looks really nice. Such a cute gift. So I think if you like charms, this is awesome. I just noticed on their website you can look and see what prior months have. Like it looks like there's like a cute owl one month, ladybug. There's so many cute charms, like a little mermaid fin. So they have a bunch of pretty pictures on their website. So I'm going to go ahead and leave down below in the description box is always their website if you want to check it out. I think this is such a cute subscription and different than any of the other jewelry subscriptions I received. So I love that aspect of it, and the fact that they give back makes me feel really good about this subscription. So yeah, I'm going to leave that all down below. And yeah, I hope you guys are having a great day. Let me know if you're up to anything fun this weekend. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!